Can I have your screens open, everybody, please? Because I know everybody wants to go on for a dinner. So, but I need you all with me. Okay, now, as divinely guided, like I have given you a ritual, and, today we sent out a mail. Ki, okay, keep a nice roses, keep a nice pink color candle, gold color candle. Now, see, let me tell you, one is, you have a divine weight loss. Ami, I want like you also to be on the uh, I want your screens to be opened up, guys, everybody. So this is something which is very important. I want to do for every one of you. And I think really gratitude from my heart for all of you, for giving me this opportunity. So, like I had told you all, there's a particular set of candles, but what I was guided, guys, was to use gold candles. Okay.
Beautiful.
Also, I was guided to use a purple and a green color candle for all of you. So, normally I anoint these candles with a special oil, which is prayed over. And the anointing happens from top to bottom. So the whole divine grace is what we, ask from the divine. So as I'm going to start off with the ritual, okay, guys, I really want you all to be with me. Can you see the infinity getting formed with the flame, guys? Very subtle. One part of the 8 is getting formed, actually, if you can see. I can see on the screen here. So I just want you all to be with this lovely element of fire, the candles. So what candles which I got guided by the divine was gold, green, purple. I want you all to feel the energy of these candles. And along with this, I'll just take 2 minutes now to put the candles down. I'll just take 2 minutes. The tarot spell which I'm going to be doing for you is, you all can see this Empress card here, everybody. So this is what I really imagine each one of you to be in your personal life. To bring this, today is a Sunday, I was so blessed, I was just looking at the date. Today is also, when you add up the number, it's 8. The sun card, which is a health card, the sun really helps her to really, have a great health. And, I was divinely guided to use the Ace of Pentacles, okay?
Pritima, sorry, just coming in, people are asking, should they light their candles also?
Yeah, please. It'll be really kind of you. I'm so happy, many of you have the candles with you. And whatever candle, I had said even a white candle would do, because see, this is all for each one of you. And I'm praying for everybody, and, all the masters are here. So I love the look of Barbara, Asha, Sakshi, Vanita, Javin, Dr. Radha, Vanita, Vartika is there, Amrit, Kanni, Bhavna Mehta, Humay, Vandana there. It's so lovely to see each one of you. And really, I think, what do I say to all the participants who are on the group, I wish I could see each one of you, out here. Vishakha, thank you for being there on the line, Kamini, Amita, Manisha, Shehzadi, Nandini, Meena Bhatt, Devika, Nilima, Sudriti, Kavita Shetty, Geeta, Sayukta Pawar, all of you lovely people. So I'll just go to my video. So is everybody ready with their candles? So the 3 divine forces is what I'm praying to, so that all of us, we are really like empresses in the real life. We have the sun card, which gives us the power, the fame, the name, and the great health. Also the abundance, which we guess through the mystic lotus. If you see the spread which I've kept here has got a lotus. I think I could not but pray on Ganesha, because he's the power of Mooladhara. It's his time, Ganesha time. He's here with us. And yesterday when I was discussing with Neelu, many of you are going to be really shining in your field. That is something which came to me. So I was guided to bring in the star card too. So now with all this and your candles, can you all show me your candles, guys, whosoever have lit them? Whosoever, wow, I can see Vandana's candles, I can see Barbara's candles, wow, I love that. Oh, awesome, Neelu, awesome, Humai. Monica, Sumarao, can I see your candles? Bhavna has got candles. Vinita's candles are glowing. Vartika's candles I can see. Dr. Radha's candle is so beautiful. You have a lovely lotus there. Lovely lotus of Meena Bhatt and Nandini. Nilima is there. Geeta, Chandni. Lovely candle of SR, Sayukta Pawar. Kailash. I think thank you all so much for bringing all the light to the platform. Dipali, wow, Beena, amazing. Yukta. So, I'll just now take you all to my screen. I think thank you so much, lovely ladies and my lovely girls. What more can I say? One second. So I'm just going to be praying for each one of you. I want you all to feel the power of these candles, which I have, dedicating to everybody on the Lotus, Mystic Lotus Summit. So this is all for you, all the light. I really wish you all lots of luck, love, joy, deepest gratitude from the bottom of my heart. Words fall short. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you, Mystic Lotus. Thank you, every single person out there. I love you all. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for hearing me. Thank you so much. And I'm praying right now, so just be with me for a minute. Dear God, goddesses, archangels, guardian angels of Mystic Lotus Summit, guardian angels of all the people on the group, please bless us with divine abundance, divine weight loss, and divine grace. Let us really experience love, light, and let us all really move on to higher dimensions. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This or better. With the power of three, let them see, let them see, let them see. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.